I just took her name and made that bitch a LLC. Stuff a couple stacks up in there, bitch, get on your feet. You make twice as much if you switch it up just to see.
Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, just continue watching. So I start off with applying my tape, and I apply tape because I like to get a good angle. So I'm applying my concealer to my lid, all over my lid, and I'm blending that out with a damp sponge. And I'm blending out those harsh edges with a clean, fluffy brush. So I'm applying this brown color, this beautiful brown, to my crease, and I'm going in windshield wiper motions and also circular motions to blend it all out. And being that this concealer is very thick, I gotta blend this out really good. So I'm applying that concealer again to my lid, and I'm cutting my crease because I really want that yellow to pop on my lid. So I'm applying this yellow color to my lid, and I'm packing it all on. And I'm using this smaller brush to get all in the crease with that yellow color as well. So I'm taking this darker shade of brown with my fluffy brush, and I am blending that into my outer lid. I'm applying that to my outer lid and blending that into my crease. So I'm applying this white liner, and this was very tedious. I really didn't want to make a mistake. And I had to apply 2 layers. So I'm doing my wing liner, and I'm applying my mascara to prep for my lashes. And I'm going over that lash line with my white liner. I did my foundation, my highlight, and my contour off camera, and I'm dusting away that powder, and I'm applying my finishing powder. Come on. Nurse mommy to the rescue. So I'm applying my lipstick. I'm applying my satin spray to set all my makeup. And my favorite highlighter. So I'm applying my favorite highlighter to my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, my brow bone, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, just click a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.